Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Thunderobot Radiant 16 gaming laptop, a 16-inch powerhouse equipped with an RTX 4060. Right away, the 16-inch QXGA display stands out, with a 165 Hz refresh rate and sharp 2560x1600 resolution. Everything looks smooth and detailed. Fast-paced shooters feel fluid, and creative work like video editing benefits from the extra clarity and screen space. Under the hood, it's driven by a 14th Gen Intel Core i7 processor paired with the RTX 4060 GPU. That combo delivers strong performance in modern AAA titles at high settings while also handling demanding tasks like rendering and multitasking without slowing down. With generous DDR5 memory and a high-speed PCIe SSD, load times are quick and switching between apps feels seamless. The design strikes a nice balance between gaming flair and professional style, with a clean chassis and RGB keyboard. Cooling stays controlled even during longer sessions, which is impressive for a slim build. Overall, the Thunderobot Radiant 16 delivers smooth visuals, solid gaming power, and everyday versatility in one sleek package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.